What's up guys, this is Mac Square, and in this video I'm sharing a text recognition app for your Mac that allows you to extract text from images. Now this app is called TextSniper, and there's a couple different ways you can purchase it. You can buy it directly from their website, which will save you a couple of dollars, that's $6.50. You can download it from the App Store for $8.99, or if you have a set app subscription, you get that included with your monthly payments. And this is how I got it. I think this is a great way to try out apps because you don't really have to pay every time. And if it's a terrible app, you didn't waste your money. So I would recommend checking that out. Now this tool is really simple. It just lives in your menu bar, but most of the time you'll probably end up just using the keyboard shortcuts, which are customizable, and I'll talk about some of those other features in a second. So to give you an example of how this works, you can jump into any image and just enter that keyboard shortcut. It'll give you the little crosshairs, and then you can just click and drag a window around the text, and then it'll pop up saying that it's been copied to the clipboard. If you go to paste it in somewhere, you'll see that it's done a pretty good job of reading the text. Now, this is a kind of a weird case because the text is skewed. It's also got the bookmark over the cover, but there weren't many typos. It tried to interpret that bookmark as a slash, but you'll see it brought in the line breaks, which is a really cool feature. Now you can actually turn off those line breaks. If you come up here to the top right, you'll see I have that checked. If I copied it again, it would just paste it all in on one line. Now I'm sure a lot of people would love to pull text from an image of real printed text, like in an actual book or maybe a recipe, like in this example here. And so this is where I think the use case would be most important. And so just to show you, I can pull up that shortcut, select this first step here, and I'll jump back into my text document and paste it in. You'll see it brought in the hashtag for the number 1. It brought in all of the ingredients, no typos, and with all those line breaks. Now taking a look at some of the other features, you can enable the additive clipboard, which basically just means it'll keep copying text to a single clipboard. So whenever you paste it, it's gonna paste everything that you have saved. Now it'll just keep adding and adding onto it until you come down here and say clear clipboard history. So you probably want to just clear it every day or every few hours if you're using this feature. It will just keep adding to it. Now I don't see an obvious use case for this, so I just keep it disabled. Another feature you have is the text-to-speech option. So basically whenever you select the text, if you have this enabled, it'll just automatically start reading it back to you with the built-in Mac voice assistant. So I think this is a cool feature if you are multitasking and you're not at your computer. Maybe you have some pictures of a book that you've taken or a recipe, maybe you're cooking, and you just want that text to be read to you. You can just select all of that, and it'll just start reading it back to you while you're finishing the other task that you're working on. There's not a lot of settings to change in the preferences, but you do have the option to map basically every feature of the app to a shortcut, so you never have to open it up. I think this could get a little complicated, especially if you have a lot of apps using similar shortcuts. But again, you can customize this and record your own custom shortcut with whatever you want. So guys, that's it for this review. I know it was short, but I thought it was a really cool tool that I'd share with you. So if you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.